Hi, I'm here to read news to you, the August 31st, 2020 edition, Kentucky Derby. The Kentucky Derby is an exciting horse race. The Kentucky Derby is usually the first Saturday in May each year. In 2020, the Kentucky Derby could not be in May because of the coronavirus. That was the first time the Kentucky Derby was not in May. The Kentucky Derby will be on September 5th instead. The Kentucky Derby has never been canceled or postponed before, even during wars and other hard times in the history of the U.S. The Kentucky Derby has run every year for almost 150 years. Page 2. The Kentucky Derby is at a famous racetrack in Louisville, Kentucky. The racetrack is called Churchill Downs. The Kentucky Derby is the biggest and most popular horse race at Churchill Downs each year. The 20 best horses from around the world race in the Kentucky Derby. The horses must qualify for the Kentucky Derby by winning other horse races first. The horses in the Kentucky Derby can be either male or female, but each horse must be 3 years old. The horses race on dirt track at Churchill Downs. Page 3. People called jockeys ride on the horses. Jockeys wear colorful clothing called racing silks. The jockeys sit on saddles and hold onto reins. Colorful saddle cloths are underneath the saddles. On each saddle cloth is the name and the number of that horse. The Kentucky Derby is called the greatest 2 minutes in sports because it takes about 2 minutes for the horses to run around the racetrack. The fastest horse wins. The winner gets a gold trophy and more than $1 million, and a blanket of roses is draped across the winning horse, so the race is also called the Run for the Roses. Page 4. Many people watch the Kentucky Derby. More than 150,000 people usually go to the Kentucky Derby. In 2020, people must sit further apart at the race to help spread the coronavirus. So fewer people will be allowed at the racetrack. People can watch the Kentucky Derby on TV too. People like to guess which horse will win. People choose favorite horses and cheer for them during the race. Favorites in the 2020 Kentucky Derby include horses named Tiz the Law, Authentic, and Art Collector. Since 1875, the Kentucky Derby has been in May, but it will be on September 5th in 2020. Will you watch the Kentucky Derby? We're going to go on to page 5, which is the review page. 1. What is the main idea of this story? Many people watch the Kentucky Derby. The Kentucky Derby has run every year for almost 150 years. Or the Kentucky Derby will be on September 5th in 2020. The main idea of this story is that the Kentucky Derby will be on September 5th in 2020. Number 2, circle true or false about the following statements. The horses race on a dirt racetrack. True or false? That is true. At Churchill Downs, the horses will be racing on a dirt racetrack. All of the horses are 4 years old. True or false? That is false. All of the horses will be 3 years old. And the Kentucky Derby is usually in September. True or false? That is false. The Kentucky Derby is usually held in May. Question number 3. Answer these questions about the story. Where is the Kentucky Derby? The Kentucky Derby is held in Louisville, Kentucky at the racetrack called Churchill Downs. Who rides on the horses? The people that ride on the horses are called jockeys. Number 4. Identify some things about the Kentucky Derby. Lasts about 2 minutes. That is true. It takes about 2 minutes for the horses to race around the track. The Kentucky Derby is on a Sunday. That is false. The Kentucky Derby is usually on a Saturday. The Kentucky Derby has 30 horses. Incorrect. The Kentucky Derby will have 20 horses. The Kentucky Derby has male and female horses. That is correct. The Kentucky Derby is a very famous horse race. That is correct. It has been a horse race for nearly 150 years. And finally, the Kentucky Derby is called the Run for the Roses. And that is correct. Along with over $1 million and a gold trophy, the horse also will get a blanket made out of roses. And finally, question 5. Circle fact or opinion about the following statements. Churchill Downs is in Louisville, Kentucky. Fact or opinion? That is a fact. The racetrack is located in Louisville, Kentucky. A horse race is the most exciting kind of race. Fact or opinion? That is an opinion. And now page 6, the think page. Question number 1. Would you like to ride a horse? Why? 2. What questions would you ask a jockey? Why? 3. Why do you think jockeys sit on saddles? And 4. Why do you think the Kentucky Derby is so famous? Thank you for listening.